Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Little Tallulah, and I am here to do the Not Too Shabby Shop July Hop. And it is the Insect Cuties box. Oh my gosh, I told you guys to save your pennies. So I'm going to put in the iCards in the description box below the link to my unboxing, as well as I'm going to show you the items here. And then don't forget that there is like a $25 giveaway. So what you need to do is look at all the instructions in the bottom, follow the hashtag, and then you'll want to go to rafflecopter and then apply for the winnings, okay? And then Jamie from her channel will pick that. All right, so let's go through this kit really quickly. I'm just going to show you. So you have a pack of ephemera, which is so cute. Look at that bee. Awesome. You have 2 sets of stamps. So look at these cute stamps. Oh my gosh. And then you have this one. And you can see they're well loved. I have ink everywhere. I like them so much that I've used a bunch and I still have a pack left. A bunch of them left because they were so cute. There's also 3 paper pads. You have this Busy Bees. And so it's bee themed, obviously. Double-sided, 6x6, 24 pages. You have the Summer Flowers, 6x6, 24, double-sided, 4 designs each. Then you have the faux embossed paper. This is some cute paper. Now, I want to show you one of them really quickly. It's Slimline 4x9, and you'll probably want to buy an extra pad because there's only 2 of each color. So, on one side, you have like an ombre color, and then one embossed design, and then when you flip it over, it's another color with a different embossed design. Now it's printed embossing, not raised, so you don't feel it. It's just printed. So there's only 2 of these sheets per one, so you might want to pick up an extra one. Okay, then this is not in the kit, but it came out in the mid-June release with the elephants. I also used the dots for summer. Awesome. I love this kit. It's so cute. So don't forget, watch all the videos by following the hashtag, and then go to Rafflecopter so you can enter yourself into the giveaway. Because who doesn't want 25 bucks, right? All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. This video is a bunch of cards that I made, and then my next one will be a process video. So here is this card. And I played with both of the papers from the Summer Flowers. And I just made the card bases. And so when you pull it open, look how cute that is. It pops up like that. Is that not cute? Cute as Christmas. And then this one, I just did it the other way. So you can see some of that paper and then the other side of the paper. Look at that. Look at that. Now here's something that's really cool too. You can... pretend this is a full piece of paper. You could put it like this in your inside of your card, and then when you open it up, you'd have like a pop-up. So those are 2 fabulous card bases. Then check out this card. It's so cute. Oh my god. I mean, are you really supposed to say your own stuff is cute? But I couldn't help it. It's so adorable. So I've used the papers in the back, and then I've cut them twice. So you've got this paper back here with the honey pot, and then I cut out one with the, trying to see if you can see that, with the honeycombs. And so by cutting this 3 times, I've got the brown squares and the honeycomb squares, and then just in the back you have the background. Isn't that cute? I used that ombre paper, the slimline paper, to make this flower, and then here you can see the dots for summer. Here's one of the sentiments from the stamp set, and of course look at the little bee. Oh. And she's got some glitter gel pen on her to make her sparkly. How cute is that? And then on the inside, I used scraps of what was left to create the inside lining. You can put your sentiment here and then continue. Awesome. So there's 3 cards I made. I also made a Slimline card. See, we featured all the pieces. We featured paper, this, and the other pads, as well as the stamps. So this one is Slimline, and I did the happy. So you've got the background, the happy, then the next layer of happy from the Slimline paper pad. And then here's a little banner that says B, and this is the other side of one of those squares. So anytime you have a die where it has extra pieces, don't throw them away because you could always use them. And see, so there's a little bee with the flower. So, and here's one of the ephemera pieces. And then on the inside, here's another paper. So this is what I was talking about before. So I used the happy out here. That's one sheet. And then the happy on the inside is the other sheet. So there goes that. So you want to go ahead and pick up an extra pad. So be happy. All right. Now these were a toss-up. I couldn't figure out which one was my favorite. So, you know, I do love my easel cards and my pop-up cards. So, see, this is a Karen Burniston die where you make the basket weave. And then you have this cute little stamp. I was going to say stamp from the set. And then here you can see where I made the papers. Used the papers to make the little flowers. And this one got stuck under there. So the basket is made from the flowers. The flowers are made from the flowers. The flower is made from the flower. And then here's the scrap piece. And then the sentiment, beautiful as a butterfly. So, and you can see it'll stand up like that. You can make it go either way. Make it stand up. It's so cute. Bonk. Fold flat, stand up. And then my final card is also a Slimline card. But I just absolutely love this. Like I said, these two were, I couldn't figure out which one was my favorite. So here's a Slimline card. Once again, I used the paper from the Slimline pad to create the flowers, and their centers are from the dots. And then here, I cut this grate out again using using the honeycomb. And then you can see the other side there. I used the brown. Did some stamping that says you are the bee's knees. And then I wanted the background as well as the different excuse me, the different colors to show. So you can see the background paper from the Slimline, and then you can see the 2 pages from the other paper pad. So awesome. The flowers. And then it's so cute because I didn't realize it, but like the flower in the bee's hair is the same type of flower. And then when you open it, I did the same thing again. So I took some scraps, made the flowers, and then made a collage in the center for your sentiment. So those are my projects for this first hop for the cute insects. Oh my gosh, the insect cuties hop. So like I said, check out the hashtag, check out the other people in the hop along, leave comments, like, share, subscribe, and then don't forget to go to Rafflecopter so you can enter into the giveaway that the Not Too Shabby Shop is having. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.